The Conrad HL20N1 is a six-wheel harvester machine that is primarily designed for use in medium to large wood forests. It's a versatile and powerful machine that is capable of efficiently harvesting a wide range of trees and shrubs, including hardwood and softwood species. Thanks to the balanced mass distribution, the ground pressure is optimized and the maximum retention of even soft soil is achieved. One of the largest and most impressive bucket wheel excavators in the world is the Bagger 293, also known as the Monster of Lignite. Manufactured by the German company Takrav, this massive machine stands over 96 meters tall and weighs more than 14,000 tons. The Bagger 293 is powered by an electric motor that delivers up to 18,000 horsepower to the machine's massive bucket wheel. The modern sugarcane harvester is equipped with a range of advanced features and technologies. One of the most important features is the machine's ability to strip the sugarcane stalks of their leaves, while also cutting the stalks at the base. This process is done simultaneously, which greatly increases the efficiency of the harvesting process. Another key feature of modern sugarcane harvesters is their ability to accurately measure and weigh the harvested sugarcane. Modern technologies for applying liquid fertilizers with disc tools for tillage are revolutionizing the way farmers manage their crops. Disc tools are a popular choice for tillage because they are effective at breaking up soil and creating a suitable environment for seed germination. By combining disc tools with liquid fertilizer application technology, farmers can provide crops with the nutrients they need at the right time and in the right amount. The Vermeer T655 is a powerful and versatile trencher that is designed for heavy-duty trenching operations. It is equipped with a range of advanced features that allow it to cut through even the toughest soils with ease, making it an essential tool for a variety of construction and agricultural applications. The trencher is equipped with a range of advanced features, such as electronic grade control and a digital display. Together, the John Deere 9570 and Great Plains Turbo Max provides farmers with a powerful and efficient solution for preparing their land for planting. With their advanced technologies and rugged construction, these machines are capable of handling even the toughest agricultural tasks with ease, making them an essential tool for modern farming operations. The Turbo Max is equipped with a range of advanced features, including adjustable disc gangs and hydraulically adjustable depth control. The T1255 Terrain Leveler SEM is equipped with a range of advanced features that help to improve efficiency and productivity on the job site. It features a high-capacity cutting drum that is capable of cutting through rock, soil, and other materials with ease, making it a versatile solution for a variety of excavation projects. This not only helps to reduce the environmental impact on excavation projects, but also helps to improve safety on the job site. The Cut Grapple Woodcracker CS780 is a powerful and versatile forestry attachment that is designed to make quick work of even the toughest woodcutting and logging tasks. This attachment is designed to be used with a variety of different machines, including excavators and skid teeters, making it a versatile addition to any forestry operation. The Wirtgen SP25 Paver is a compact and versatile paving machine that is designed to deliver high-quality results for a range of applications. It is ideally suited for urban areas where space is limited and maneuverability is key. With its small size and maneuverability, the SP25 can navigate through tight spaces and work in areas where larger machines cannot. The Wirtgen W50RI is a small but powerful milling machine designed for use in road construction and maintenance projects. With its compact size and advanced features, this machine is an ideal choice for contractors and other professionals who need to quickly and efficiently remove old asphalt or concrete surfaces. The restoration process involved a complete disassembly of the machine, followed by the cleaning, repair, and replacement of all necessary components. This is an unmanned tractor, Magnum ACV, from the American company Case IH. It's equipped with a 6-cylinder engine with a capacity of 370 horsepower. This tractor does not need a driver. In the not-so-distant future, people will no longer have anything to do on agricultural land. Only robots will plow, sow, and harvest crops in the fields. The Slagpot Taurus is designed with a high-quality steel frame and lined with heat-resistant materials, ensuring that it can withstand the extreme temperatures and harsh environments present in steel mills. The machine is equipped with wheels and can move easily around the plant, making it a highly efficient tool for transporting molten slag. The new Kuhn SW Bale Wrapper is a state-of-the-art machine designed for wrapping round bales. It features an advanced control system and user-friendly interface that allows for easy operation and customization of wrapping parameters. The machine is equipped with a durable wrapping arm and stretch film dispenser, which work together to provide a tightly wrapped bale that's protected from external factors such as weather and moisture. Vermeer has developed a self-propelled round baler. It features a cab positioned above the suspended front axle for a smoother ride, and the zero-radius turning technique is borrowed from lawnmowers. The cab provides the operator with an unobstructed view of the swath, not of the pickup, which is covered by the camera. The Sunfish Trencher is a highly efficient machine that can dig trenches in various widths and depths. It's designed with a powerful engine that provides ample torque and horsepower, ensuring that the machine can handle tough soil and terrain conditions. The trencher blade is adjustable, allowing operators to customize the depth and width of the trench according to their needs. Pay attention to this track system. Such systems can be installed on different combines using various adapter options. It provides a smooth ride, reliability, fuel economy, the greatest contact with the soil, and the highest throughput. The Optimal Opitz 3000 is a powerful machine capable of excavating trees up to 90 centimeters in diameter with its 4 large spade blades. The Opitz 3000 is equipped with hydraulic controls that allow the operator to easily adjust the spade blades to fit the tree's root ball. This ensures that the tree is dug out of the ground with minimal damage to the roots, allowing for successful transplantation to a new location. The Berkey Waterway Cleaning Machine is a modern equipment designed for cleaning water bodies. It comes with specialized tools that can remove various types of pollutants, including debris, leaves, branches, and algae from the water surface and the bottom of the water body. Pollution of water bodies and plastic and other debris is a serious problem today. Such machines help to improve the situation. Agbot II is a robot that decides for itself how best to deal with weeds. It's equipped with advanced technologies such as GPS navigation, sensors, computer vision systems, and many others, allowing it to operate in a precise and efficient manner. If the robot comes across herbicide-resistant weeds, it can get rid of them either with a mechanical arm or a miniature burner. Drones have become an increasingly popular tool in modern agriculture due to their ability to provide farmers with a bird's-eye view of their crops. In addition, Drones can be equipped with precision spraying technology, allowing for targeted and efficient application of pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. This not only reduces the amount of chemicals needed, but also minimizes the environmental impact of agriculture.